Good evening. We're gonna load this up. We've got a sewer replacement to do in the morning. And I'm gonna attempt to do this without using the ramps. Shouldn't be a big deal. I've never done it before. Let's watch and see what happens. I'm not going to say it was the prettiest thing in the world to watch, but it worked. Morning. It's the next day. Last night when I loaded everything up, realized that, what's the other side, I guess? I think something chewed off the wires to this light. Yep, right here. Probably needs to be rewired anyway. But I'm gonna go get some new connectors and we're gonna hook this back up. Get that light working again before we start our adventure today. Alright, to make this repair, I'm gonna use my Knipex pliers and my, I don't know what brand these are. I'm gonna say King. Made in Japan. Wire strippers. I've had these for a few years. I love these. But they take some getting used to. You're not gonna grab a regular pair of wire strippers and transition to these and not cut wire off when you're not trying to. You gotta be careful because it's easy to cut the strands of the wires. Once you get used to them, these are awesome. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing now. I'm gonna use these, I don't know if they're, made by 3M. It's a jelly-filled watertight connector. I just strip the wires, put it in there, and then take a pair of pliers. You snap that down tight. It's very similar to like the power stealing little blue fold-over connectors that you'd see on cars when people do silly stuff. I hate those. They don't seem to hold up well, I don't think. But if you strip these first and put them in there, you get a nice watertight connection. See, like right there, I overcut that because I was talking, I finished what I was doing. Alright, and looks like we're just using these two here. try to get just that outer insulation. Connector like that was on here before that I'm pretty sure a squirrel or something chewed off of there. I laid it in here. I'm gonna go look at it, make sure I get my wires matched up right. It was laying on the trailer last night. It's like the black and brown went together. All the way. It takes a little bit of force to crimp these down. Make sure you get it all the way closed so it stays nice and tight. Just try to pop it open on you. Like that. Okay, one of them's done. Let's move on to the other. And don't ask me what wire color is supposed to be what on these, because I really don't know. And it really depends on who wired the trailer, whether they call it any type of standard or not. So I just put it back the way it was. And I only know that because I found this one laying on the trailer. Alright, get ready to head out. Well, I guess I need to test these first, huh? Look at my keys. Hey, you can see my face for a second. Go that way, so this one's in my face, not yours. The fastest, easiest way to check trailer lights that I found is turn the truck on, turn the headlights on so that your taillights light up, and then turn the flashers on so you can see your turn signals and brakes work. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, it looks like the taillights and the flashers are working. Seems like those are dim though. Maybe it's just me. Look at that in daylight. I don't know. Turn the flashers off and look at that. That's what the taillights look like. Alright, that is just a taillight there. And that's a taillight there. Notice how there's a bulb right here in the center? And there's a bulb way up here. I don't know what is going on with this. It's broke. That's what's going on with it. That's what's going on with it. That's why it looks funky. Okay. The whole thing's messed up. I'm moving the wires. It's all moving around. How did that happen? It doesn't look like anything would have. I mean, you wouldn't break it by hitting the wires anyway. Maybe, I guess maybe if you snagged it on something. But I didn't, because I found this connector laying on in the trailer. I don't know. I think we need some new taillights, along with a bunch of other stuff on this trailer. But it'll work for today. of it. Straight in front of my boom here. Alright, all digging's done. Putting pipe back in the ground. Get this finished up hopefully before dark. I'm gonna start backfilling a little bit. If you've made it this far in the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and like always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.